in this session, we will see how to add the navigation buttons in order to go from one page to another. For that, I will click on Insert, click on Buttons, and we can click on Navigator and Page Navigator. So it now shows page 1, page 2. Let me move to the area where I have some space. So just move it on to the bottom of the page over here, and then do some changes like the shape would be rectangle, and need to make the corner round. No background, don't give a background to it. Okay, so now you see this button has come up here. This is added in page 2, correct? I will go to page 1, and here also it is added, but since the formatting has not been affected onto this, I will make sure I'll paste the button. Okay, so now we have these buttons here, page 1 and page 2. How it going to work on your Power BI application is you need to click on Control and then click on page 2 if you are on page 1. So it will go to page 2, and again if you click on page 1 when you are in page 2, it will make sure that it takes you to page 1. So this is how the navigation buttons will work, and it's going to be super helpful when you are creating a report which will have multiple pages. As of now, it has only around 2 pages, right? But what if there are multiple pages? So if there are multiple pages, you can have multiple buttons at the bottom or in the side, and it will also look a little bit professional and impressive as well. So I hope this particular lesson again was useful to you, and you were able to understand how to add a navigation button here. Okay, so we will move on to the next important one lesson, that is how to add bookmark and add a bookmark button and how you can use it on your report. So see you in the next session.